How to create logo in Blox Fruits Mobile. Hello everybody, welcome back. If you're wondering how, you can follow up these steps. So for that, you can head over to the website and type in roblox.com and log in into your account. Once you are logged in, you should be finding this interface. Now from the given interface, head over to the option that says create. Tap on it. And once you tap on it, this opens up on your screen. So what you can do is from here, scroll down and head over to the option experiences. Tap on this. And once you do, it will lead you to this dashboard. Now from the given dashboard, what you need to do is you may scroll right and head over to development items. Tap on it. And after tapping on development items, scroll right again and go to the option that says decals. Tap on it. After tapping on decals, this opens up. Now what you need to do is simply tap on upload asset, tap on it. And after tapping on it, what you need to do is upload a picture that you would like in your crew logo. So go ahead and tap on this upload option, and you may just go ahead and select up a picture from your gallery, or you may also select up a picture, click up a picture at the moment. Once you have selected the image, you can change the name of your crew logo. Go ahead and type in anything, for example, crew itself. And then you can add a description and tap on upload. Once you do that, wait for the upload to be completed. Once it is uploaded, you will be finding the picture like this. So you can head over to that and tap on the three dot at the top. And then you can go ahead and open asset details. And then you may just go ahead and tap on the three dot and copy the link. And once that is done, you may head over to the game. Go ahead and open up the official Roblox app. Go to the search bar. And after that, you may search for the game. And then just go ahead and open up the game. And once you play the game, you should be finding a pirate icon. You can tap on it. And when you do, you can go ahead and paste the link in that section. And then that should do it. So that is how you make a crew logo. Otherwise, you can also go ahead and use the images already provided by Roblox itself. So that's it for now. I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video.